Today, I'm drinking an ice cap and heading to a car show. Let's begin. So I hope you guys are having a great day. It is nice and sunny with a high of this. Also, we're almost at 50,000, so maybe I should make a video for that. But today we're heading to a car show hosted by Highway 11 Cruisers. If any of you are from Ontario, you guys might know them. They host a meet every Tuesday from 6 to 9 from April to November. And honestly, it's the perfect weather for it. It's not too cloudy, but it's not too blue out, so it's perfect. Also, you guys may have noticed the drastic change from 60 frames to 30 frames. I think I'm going to do 30 for a bit, just to see how it goes. So, let's get right into it.
Win tickets, 1 for 5, 6 strips for 20. So 1 strip of 5 tickets for $5, or 6 strips of 5 for 20. Center at the East Goldberry Sports Complex. See Danny, he's got tickets. Starts at 7. It's gonna be a full social event. Jack and Jill. So stop by, see him, and he'll hook you up with him.
Check this out, guys. Another Pro Charger right there.
I have an idea.
Really? What is it?
Let's leave!
Alrighty, guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned because I have that 50K video coming up soon, so I'll be excited for that. Also, June 4th, Midland Honda is having a nice little car show. Honda Pro Jason's going to be there. Can't wait to meet him, so stay tuned for the video for that. Awesome. Take care. I think this is one of the best things you can do with these if you have them laying around and you don't have them hanging in your car. Especially if you have a coupe and it's sticking out like this. Maybe I'm just lazy, who knows.